For making tenons with a track saw, make sure you have a good marking gauge like this one. I want a 1/4 inch tenon, so I'm going to cut a 1/2 inch into this 3/4 inch piece. To make things consistent and easier, I want a depth of 1/2 inch. So now you see me, I have this fastened to my MFG table, that way I can make this vertical cut. You just want to make sure you have a way to fasten it securely. Now with this part, I want to mark the material that I need to take out. There are probably better ways to do this, but this worked out pretty well. Maybe in the future I would clamp them together, that way I could avoid movement. This part is pretty explanatory. You're just going to want to cut out the waste. Now, what I can tell you is if you look beneath the workpiece, there's this little mat that I use, and that helps keep the workpiece from shifting around while cutting. So that's something you don't want. That could potentially cause a kickback. So I would use a little mat. And you see here, I flip it around, and then I'm going to flip it around again to hug out the rest of the waste, but you don't have to flip it around if you don't want to. As you can see, in just a moment, we have a really nice friction fit. Now, this is not my main preferred way of doing this, but I do want to show that it is possible to use a track saw. You get a nice clean cut and a beautiful joint.